Hello everyone, welcome back. So if your RedotPay card isn't adding in the Apple Wallet, don't worry. In this video, I will show you the most common fixes that can help you get it working. Now, if you don't have a RedotPay account yet, you can just simply use the link that is given in the description in order to get $5 welcome bonus absolutely for free. Plus, I've also linked some of the coupon codes that you can use in order to purchase the virtual card and the physical card at discounted prices. Now, when you launch your RedotPay application for the very first time, you will be on the home page. So in order to get access to your cards, you need to tap on the option of card. Over here, you are going to see your physical card and the virtual card. So before adding them inside your Apple wallet, you need to make sure that the virtual card and the physical card are active. So for the virtual card to be activated, there is no other step that you need to take, but you can tap on the option of view in order to basically view all of your details. And for physical card, you need to make sure that it is active. If you are prompted to upgrade your card for the Apple wallet support, you need to simply complete the free upgrade first, and this is required for Apple Pay's compatibility. After doing so, you need to make sure that your iPhone is also running on the latest iOS and that the RedotPay application is also up to date. So you can come inside the App Store, and over here you can search for the RedotPay application and the Apple Wallet. If you see any kind of updates available, you just have to make sure that you update both of these applications before adding the card to the Apple Wallet. Now, even after doing both of these steps, the RedotPay card is still not adding. What you need to do next is you need to simply contact to the customer support team. So on the homepage of RedotPay, you are going to see this type of headphone icon on the top right hand corner. When you tap on it, you can ask the RedotPay assistant that you are facing these types of problems where you are not able to add your cards to the Apple wallet, and the assistant is going to basically give you all of the instructions that you need to keep in mind and that you need to follow in order to add the card successfully. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.